Yeah, what's up, y'all? Got cut off by a bread truck coming from a store. So I know how to drive, right? So I avoid the truck, hit the curb with the back wheel, as you can see, avoiding the same stupid truck because people don't want to can drive. And yeah, my tire, my rim smacked the curb. I rode the edge of the curb, like you know, the sidewalk has a little edge on the edge. Yeah, I rode that. Didn't wreck. Get back on the sidewalk, and yeah, that's that. Ooh, definitely got me might shaky there, just a little bit. Lucky, the driver of the truck is lucky I didn't feel like acting up today as bad as I want to.